everyone, it is Monday the 28th of April. Today is going to be like a bit of a maintenance day slash get my life back together. So we're going to head off quickly and go to like a hair salon slash beauty warehouse. Don't mind my hair. I curled it on the weekend for a party and now it's all like kinked and weird, so just don't mind that. So we're going to head to like a hair and beauty warehouse and grab some stuff that I need, and we're going to attempt to do our first ever lash lift and tint at home. I've had 2 lash lifts in the past at previous like salons and they've not worked at all. Like, I have stubborn lashes, but I feel like I have stubborn lashes, so I think that's mainly the problem, but we will see if we can do it at home because I don't like wearing mascara. And look at these lashes, they are literally so bloody flat. So we need to attempt to lash lift them at home because it is so expensive and it has never worked in the past. So let's head to the shops, and then when we get back we've got to do a lot of cleaning because my room's a little messy. Let's go. Okay, jobs that we need to run right now is we need to go get some petrol, we need to head to pharmacy, and then we need to head to the hair and beauty like warehouse. Also, don't mind this massive pimple on my head here. What in the world is going on there? Who knows? My eyebrows look really dark here, but in person they're not, so we're probably gonna have to tint them as well. Okay guys, we've just made the long drive down to the hair and beauty place. There was a lot of roadworks going on, so there was a lot of traffic, but yeah, let's go grab what we need. Okay, I'm back. I have the colour for my mum's hair and I've got the kit, the tint and the activator. They didn't have the one that I wanted necessarily, but we found a different one that would work as well. So I'm so excited to go home and try this out. I just got home and my sister literally scared the shit out of me. I literally screamed and I don't know how I didn't drop anything because you should have seen me. I was literally balancing everything. It was so funny, but she scared the life out of me. And she brought home Chinese, so I've got Chinese leftovers, which I'm loving. And then we're going to start experimenting with the kit. I'm excited, but I am nervous because a lot can go wrong. Here's a little look. I'll give you a better tour later, but yeah, we're gonna eat up and then do it. Okay, I popped them on now. I look absolutely crazy. But look at my lashes. I can still not get over them. They look so bloody good. I can't believe it, guys. It was a huge success. Okay guys, it's been a couple hours later. I've done a lot of cleaning. I cleaned my bathroom, my entire bedroom, and cleaned upstairs as well. And I also meal prepped for the week. I made like burrito bowl. I still need to get chicken tomorrow to pop in them, but we're just gonna have the first one without chicken. But oh well. So it's got like rice, lettuce, tomato. It's got this really nice garlic dressing in it. Meant to have chicken in it, and it's got corn chips to go with it. So we're gonna try that out and see if it's good. Fingers crossed, we'll see. And then we can sort of experiment what else we want to put in there. But we're starting off basic and then we'll work our way up. But I'm going to end the vlog here and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.